Hello garden enthusiasts, welcome back to your channel name. In today's video, we're diving into 10 low-maintenance gardening ideas that you can create using common household items. These tips are perfect for anyone who wants to keep their garden thriving without spending a lot of time, money, or effort. Let's get started. Eggshell seed starters. Did you know that eggshells make great seed starters? Just save your used eggshells, fill them with a bit of soil, and plant a seed inside. Place them in a sunny spot and keep them moist. When the seedlings are ready, you can plant the whole shell directly into the soil. The eggshell will decompose and provide extra calcium to your plants. Reuse plastic bottles for self-watering planters. Next, turn plastic bottles into self-watering planters. Cut a bottle in half, fill the bottom half with water, and place the top half upside down with a small hole in the cap. Fill the top with soil and a plant. The water will slowly wick up, keeping your plant hydrated for days without any effort from you. DIY compost bin, using a trash can. Composting can be easy with a DIY compost bin. All you need is a regular trash can with a lid. Drill some holes in the sides for airflow, and fill it with kitchen scraps like vegetable peels, coffee grounds, and eggshells. Give it a shake every week, and in a few months you'll have nutrient-rich compost to use in your garden. 4. Banana peel fertilizer. Banana peels are packed with potassium, which is great for flowering plants. Just chop up banana peels and soak them in a jar of water for a few days. Then, use the banana water to fertilize your plants, giving them a boost without needing to buy expensive fertilizers. 5. Use cardboard for weed control. Got some extra cardboard boxes lying around? Use them to control weeds in your garden. Lay flat pieces of cardboard on the soil around your plants and then cover with mulch. The cardboard will block light, suppressing weeds while still allowing water to reach the roots. 6. Coffee grounds for acid-loving plants. If you're a coffee lover, don't throw away those used coffee grounds. They're perfect for acid-loving plants like azaleas, roses, and blueberries. Just sprinkle the grounds around the base of your plants. Not only do they add organic matter to the soil, but they can also deter pests like slugs. For better soil drainage in pots, place an old kitchen sponge at the bottom of your planter. The sponge will absorb excess water, preventing root rot, while also keeping moisture available for when the soil gets dry. It's a simple solution for healthier potted plants. DIY greenhouse, using plastic wrap. To protect young seedlings or herbs, you can create a mini greenhouse using a plastic container and plastic wrap. Just place your container upside down over the seedlings and cover it with plastic wrap to trap humidity and warmth. This is great for getting a head start on your plants in cooler weather. Reuse newspaper as seed tape. You can make your own seed tape using strips of newspaper and a paste made of flour and water. Spread out the newspaper strips, dab a little paste, and place your seeds. Roll them up, let them dry, and you have easy-to-plant rows of seeds for your garden. This helps ensure even spacing and saves time during planting. Milk jug watering can. No watering can? No problem. Grab an old milk jug and poke some holes in the lid. Fill it with water, and you've got a makeshift watering can that's perfect for delicate seedlings. It's a great way to reuse and save some money. And there you have it. 10 low-maintenance gardening ideas using items you probably already have at home. I hope these tips help you save time and make your gardening journey a little easier. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new gardening tip from us. Thanks for watching, and happy gardening. Upbeat music fades out.